Hello lovely and welcome to my channel. Quick one, this is me just showing you how to create this simple, not complicated front bow hair wrap that just took me 5 minutes to create. So this is how it's done, but you need a long scarf to be able to achieve this look. Divide the scarf into two equal parts. Okay, position it from the back of the head and secure tightly in front, as you can see the way I'm doing it right now.
Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world.
Take it back again, and this time cross it back to the front and secure it the second and also the third time. Then to create the bow tie, fold the upper part of the scarf upward, as you can see the way I'm doing it, and secure the edges tightly in the scarf. Okay, for the lower part of the scarf, fold it inwards and secure it tightly in the scarf, as you can see the way I'm doing it right now. Then for the edges of the scarf, fold it in and adjust it properly. Finally, adjust the bow tie, and secure the edges properly inside the scarf, and then you're done. This is easiest way of creating bow tie, not complicated, as you can see. So this is gonna look more beautiful on a bigger and longer scarf. I'm majorly with someone with a braided hair and or even a weave on. It's gonna look more beautiful. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe because baby girl have a lot of simple hair wrap styles to show you guys on this channel. Okay, so for now, bye.